Welcome to Asim Academy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to combine two or more dictionaries, creating a list of values for each key in Python. So first, I'm going to import default dictionary from collections. It will be from collections import default dictionary. And I will define a function and I will name it combine dictionaries. So it will take dictionaries and we are going to create a new collections default dictionary with the list as the default value for each key, and then we are going to loop over dictionaries. So over here we get default dictionary and loop through our dictionary for the in our dictionaries and get the key for key in dictionary, our default dictionaries key, and here we are going to use the append method to map the values of the dictionary to keys. So this will be append and pass in the key. And now we are going to use a dict function to convert the collections default dictionary to a regular dictionary. So this will be, and then we are just going to return. Return and pass in our default dictionary. And we're gonna test this function by calling it. First, we need to create our dictionaries. Our dictionary one will have some values. This would be such as key A, value 2, and key B, value 2, and then we have another key C, value 300, should be inside 300, and I will just copy this one and modify it for our second dictionary. This would be dictionary 2 is this will be 3, and I will change it to some value. And make this 500. And now we can pass these two dictionaries to our function combine dictionary. This will be dictionary 1 inside dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. Need to run our script and check that bit. We also need to print the results, so we are going to use a print function. And here is the output of our combined dictionary values and keys. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Academy and like my video. Thank you for watching.